Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp voice messages problem. So I will show you some steps and they should apply to both iOS and Android devices and other devices as well. The first thing you need to do is make sure WhatsApp is allowed to use your microphone on your device. To do that, you first need to tap and hold on your WhatsApp like this and go for this eye icon. And you need to go to this permissions and you just have to make sure that this microphone is allowed in permissions. Mine is already allowed, so make sure yours is as well. The next thing I recommend doing is making sure you are not connected to any Bluetooth devices that may be causing some sort of problem with that with voice messages. So what you can do is go into your Bluetooth just like so and just make sure that it's turned off. It's worth turning Bluetooth off just because sometimes your phone might be trying to use a Bluetooth microphone or something like that, so it's just worth turning it off. The next fix is primarily for iOS users, but it will also apply to Android and other devices as well, and that's just to check your parental controls. Even if you think you haven't changed these, I recommend checking them. So if you are using an iOS device, you need to go into screen time and then you need to go down to content and privacy restrictions, and what you need to do is make sure your microphone is set to allow under privacy, and you may have a passcode, but yeah, what I recommend doing is just turning off content and privacy restriction just while you go and fix your WhatsApp voice messages not working. Now the next thing is making sure you are not using your mic at the same time. For example, I know some people may be on like a call and then they want to go and send a voice message at the same time, and some people have just experienced it doesn't work on certain types of devices. To make sure you are only using them right phone for one thing at a time. For example, if you are in a call with somebody, then what I recommend doing is ending that call and then try sending the voice message and go and see if that fixes the problem. And just to make sure that your microphone isn't used by the other applications, what worth doing is going closing your active apps. So you can do is then on pretty much all devices, what you need to do is going to open up your app manager. To do this on iOS devices, you swipe up from the bottom of your screen, and on Android you just have to tap on this and simply tap on this close all. Make sure that all closed and make sure you go and close WhatsApp as well by swiping up on it. Another fix is just to go and restart your device because this is going to refresh everything. It's definitely worth doing it. To do this on iPhone, all you need to do is press that increase volume button and then the decrease, and then you just go and hold the power button. You will then go and see a screen which has started to power off. Just ignore that, just keep holding the power button and your phone will then go black, and let go of the power button as soon as you go see the Apple logo quickly. On Android, you just have to tap and hold on the power button and simply tap on this restart and your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.